Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday. And if you're returning, welcome back. Like always, this is never about subscribers nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to be getting into this Bloodlust palette tutorial. I'm doing another Bloodlust palette tutorial. I've done a few, so if you want, make sure to go check those out. The looks are gorgeous. They came out sickening. I honestly love all my looks because I put so much time and effort into all of them. So yeah, like they're all just gorgeous to me. But yeah, these shades are just sickening, so I really wanted to come back and play with them again. And this time I was thinking about doing a more simple, easier look. So yeah, stay tuned and we'll get straight into the video. So first, starting off with my Jeffree Star Concealer as a base. I love using this as a base. I feel like it makes my eyeshadows, like the eyeshadow pigments, pop so much and show up for sure. Like this is a concealer that has not let me down, and it does not crease. So yeah, I love it. It's amazing. So here, just taking the white from the Blood Sugar palette. Y'all can use any white from any palettes that y'all have. Unfortunately, the Blood Sugar doesn't have a white, so yeah, keep that in mind. So here I'm taking Deviant, and I love this shade because it's like this pastel purple, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It does take a while to build, but it's not too much. Like, it honestly shows up the pastel that you want it, and it's just a gorgeous shade. Like, it's beautiful. And now just gonna be going in with the shade Vivid Moon, and this is just a deeper pastel, a deeper purple, if you will. But yeah, it's gorgeous. It's just similar to the pastel purple that I used previous to it, but not too much to where you can't see the difference between the shades. These shades complement the eye so well, and I feel like this is such an easy look that you can literally just pop this on the crease and blend it out with Deviant, and it's honestly a look. Like, it's gorgeous, it's sickening, and it, like I said, it's such a simple look that anybody can do it, and it just looks so gorgeous on the eye. Like, it's so beautiful. So going back and forth between those shades, Vivid Moon and Deviant, and just going back and forth and building up that shade wherever I want it. And you can do the same. It's all about preference at this point, because yeah, like, it's as deep as you want it. But for me, I really wanted to make sure that all those edges are blended. And yeah, it's pretty much up to you at that point. So now just taking the gorgeous shade Pink Magic, and I feel like this completed the look so much. Like, it just brought the look together. It literally is only 3 shades on the eye, and it just looks so perfect. I actually went ahead and did another step and added Wet Jewel to like the center of my lid just to make the eye look pop a little bit more, and then went back in and blended out those edges out with Vivid Moon. Now just taking the Kat Von D liner and just gonna be lining my eye, trying to keep that liner really sharp at the end and really just precise towards the inner corner of my eye, because you want to make sure whenever you're doing your liner to keep it as basically as thin as possible, going closer to the inner corner of your eye, because if you do it too thick, it's gonna basically not complement your eye, and you really want to make sure that when you're doing there's no right way or wrong way, but I'm just saying this is my preference of doing it this way and having a thinner line in the inner corner of my eye. Alright Foxies, so this is the end of the video. I hope they all love it. I was going for more of a purple vibe. I love the lavender, love the purples in this palette. I think that this look came out so gorgeous, and I'm honestly so obsessed. And then I also went ahead and added some beach just to add some oomph in it. Added the same highlight, or I guess shade, here on my eyebrow. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So with that being said, please make sure to leave me some love. Make sure to leave me some likes, some comments. DM me a picture if you recreate it. I would love to see it and repost it on my Instagram. And yeah, until next time, I'll see y'all then. Bye, Foxies.